Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to find and recover deleted apps on Android phone. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Android phone. That being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply click on this particular avatar right here. Click on your profile avatar or your profile picture from the Play Store. It take you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on Manage Apps and Device. Take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on Manage. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on Install. Then from the drop down right here, click on Not Installed. So with that, you will have access to all the previous deleted apps on your Android phone. And for you to restore back any app you want to restore, what you need to do is to simply click on here. And the next thing you want to do is to simply click on this download icon. So it's as simple as that. You have the app successfully recover back to your Android phone. So we can exit from the Play Store right here and we head over to our phone screen and look for the particular app. Okay. So this is the app right here. It's Seeker app. So basically, this is how to find and recover deleted apps in Android phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.